Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever wanted to try something sweet at a new shop, but felt a little shy to ask a question? Today Hannah is treating herself at Crumbl Cookies, the cheerful pink box cookie shop you can find all over America. A big glowing menu board, a fresh set of flavors every single week, and giant warm cookies packed into those famous pink boxes. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one soft, friendly phrase to ask for anything she needs. Would it be possible to? You can use this exact phrase at Crumbl Cookies, in any shop, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's go get some cookies with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Read this week's flavors and pick one she loves. 2. Ask for a favorite flavor. And stay calm when it turns out to be sold out. 3. Box up her order and ask to have the cookies warmed up when you're out shopping. One soft, polite request can carry you through the whole visit without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to politely make a request, ask which item is popular, handle a sold-out moment, and place a friendly order, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Crumbl Cookies. Here are today's 5 Crumbl Cookies key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Would it be possible to see this week's flavors? Would it be possible to see this week's flavors? This is today's magic phrase. Would it be possible to? Is one of the most polite ways to make a request in English. It's soft, it never sounds pushy, and it makes the other person happy to help. You can put almost any request after it. Key phrase 2. Could you tell me which one is the most popular? Could you tell me which one is the most popular? A friendly way to ask a staff member for a recommendation. Key phrase 3. I was wondering if you still have the cho cookie. I was wondering if you still have the cho cookie. A gentle way to ask whether a specific item is still available. Key phrase 4. Is it okay if I get a box of 6? Is it okay if I get a box of 6? An easy, warm way to ask about ordering a certain amount. Key phrase 5. Can I get these warmed up, please? Can I get these warmed up, please? A simple way to ask a shop to heat up your order before you go. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Crumbl Cookies. Hannah steps into Crumbl Cookies, the sweet smell of fresh cookies in the air, and looks up at the big digital menu board glowing with this week's flavors. Behind the counter is Marcus, a chatty, friendly Crumbl Cookies employee in his late 20s who loves to talk and share little bits of cookie trivia.
Hi. Would it be possible to see this week's flavors?
Absolutely. You're looking right at him. Fresh set every Monday. We've got milk chocolate chip, that one never leaves, plus chuo, lemon glaze, and a birthday cake one this week. Oh, and did you know we change all 6 flavors every single week? People plan their whole week around it.
That's amazing. So many choices. Could you tell me which one is the most popular?
Great question. Honestly, the chuo cookie is flying out the door today. Cinnamon sugar on top, little cream inside. It's a Crumbl Cookies fan favorite. But hey, the milk chocolate chip is the classic. You can't go wrong.
Ooh, the Chio sounds perfect.
Great taste. And funny thing, Crumbl started as just 2 guys and a chocolate chip recipe. Now look at all this. Anyway, sorry, I talk a lot. What can I get started for you?
No, I love it. Let me look one more second.
Take your time. The cookies aren't going anywhere. Well, the chuo might.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, would it be possible to see this week's flavors? Soft, warm, and polite. Would it be possible to? Is one of the most gentle ways to make a request in English. It never sounds like a demand, so the other person is happy to help. Then she asked, "Could you tell me which one is the most popular?" A lovely way to get a recommendation. Marcus was chatty and full of fun facts, and Hannah just relaxed and enjoyed it. A polite request plus an easy smile equals a warm, friendly start. Hannah steps up to the pickup counter, ready to order the cookie she wanted. Helping her is Kevin, a busy but kind Crumbl Cookies employee in his 30s, moving quickly with a fresh tray but always keeping a warm smile.
Hi. I was wondering if you still have the cookie.
Oh. I'm so sorry. We actually just sold the last chew a minute ago. That one went fast today.
Oh, no. Would it be possible to get more soon?
Not till tomorrow, I'm afraid. That batch is done for the day. But can I make a suggestion? The lemon glaze is really similar. Sweet, soft, same size. A lot of Cheo fans grab that one instead.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Would it be possible to try the lemon glaze, then?
Absolutely. Great backup choice. Here. And honestly, a lot of people like it even more.
Perfect. Then I'll go with the lemon glaze. And maybe a milk chocolate chip too.
Now that's a great combo. Good call. Sorry again about the Cheo.
No worries at all. Thank you for helping me find a new favorite.
Look how smoothly Hannah handled that. Her favorite flavor, the cookie, was completely sold out. That can feel disappointing. But Hannah didn't panic. She stayed calm and simply asked, "Would it be possible to try the lemon glaze, then?" When something is sold out, the shop will almost always suggest something similar. All you have to do is stay friendly and say yes to a new idea. Kevin was busy, but he was kind, and Hannah left with a brand new favorite. A sold-out moment plus a calm, polite request equals no stress at all. With her flavors chosen, Hannah moves to the register to finish her order. Ringing her up is Tyler, a nervous new Crumbl Cookies employee in his early 20s, still learning the register and eager to get everything just right.
Hi. Is it okay if I get a box of 6?
Oh. Yes. A box of 6, sure. So that's 6 cookies, and you can mix the flavors. Let me just. Okay, got it. What would you like?
2 lemon glaze, 2 milk chocolate chip, and 2 birthday cake, please.
2 lemon, 2 milk chocolate, and 2 birthday cake. Okay. Did I get that right?
Perfect, that's exactly right.
Oh, good. And these all go in the pink box. The Crumbl Cookies one. People love the box.
I've heard. One more thing. Can I get these warmed up, please?
Oh, yes. We can warm them. That's the best way to eat them, honestly. Give me just 1 second, okay, warming them now.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. You did great.
Thanks. It's only my second week, so I really appreciate that. Here's your Crumbl Cookies box. Enjoy.
Thank you. I definitely will.
Wonderful. Hannah read the weekly flavors, handled a sold-out favorite like a pro, and boxed up 6 warm cookies. All with calm, polite English. At the register she used "Is it okay if I get a box of 6? To place her order, and "Can I get these warmed up, please?" To ask for one last thing. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one, would it be possible to? A soft request plus a kind helper equals a smooth, happy visit, at Crumbl Cookies or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. The cho cookie is sold out, and Kevin has just offered Hannah the lemon glaze instead. What is the best thing for Hannah to say next? A. Would it be possible to try the lemon glaze, then? B. No. Only cho. C. Where is the cho? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident ordering anywhere in America. Would it be possible to see this week's flavors? Could you tell me which one is the most popular? I was wondering if you still have the cho cookie. Is it okay if I get a box of 6? Can I get these warmed up, please? With these 5 phrases, even a busy shop full of new flavors starts to feel friendly and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. And next time, join us at U-Haul, where Hannah rents a moving truck for the very first time and learns all the friendly English you need for moving day. See you next time. Bye-bye.